Hi guys, welcome to lesson 3.2, creating a map in Google My Maps. So our tool we're actually going to really explore this week is what's called Google My Maps. Google My Maps is a map building custom tool really that you can use for self-paced or student-paced or user-paced navigation across a custom map that you make with multimedia images, videos, text, those sorts of things. A really cool tool for you to use as a teacher, and also a really cool student tool that can be used across all kinds of different subject areas and for all kinds of different things. So to get to Google My Maps, you could do a quick search for Google My Maps, or if you visit your Drive page, you can come up here to the New button in the top left-hand corner, and under More here, you can come down, and the third one down is Google My Maps. So we'll go to Google My Maps. You'll see it'll open a new tab. And you'll see on my page here, okay, it's going to go and it's going to immediately take me to a brand new map here. You may see a different screen that asks you to create a new map if you come here. So there's also a version here. So you can come and you'll see some of the maps then that I've created if you don't visit that create new. So again, if you go to Drive and you do new, it's going to automatically take you to a brand new map to create. If you do a quick search for Google My Maps, it's going to take you to this kind of home page. And then that's where you can see any maps you've created. And then you can right here come to create a new map. So when you do create a new map, this is what you're going to see. The sort of standard kind of Google Maps looking window, but it doesn't exactly look like the Google Maps that we just looked at in lesson 1. So the first thing we want to do here is come in here, and like all Google products, as soon as we name it, it saves it. So we'll just call this, this is our week 3 map. And then you can add a description here that helps people read. We'll say like Google Tools for the Classroom map. That'll save that. And you'll see here that there are layers, and layers basically mean, like a piece of paper that has you're going to have your markers on it, where if you uncheck a layer, all those elements that you have on your map will disappear. And you can add up to 10 layers. I would suggest, kind of naming your layer, maybe layer 1, or if you've got something specific on it, battles or, week 1 or whatever it happens to be. But you can do those things there with that. You can, like traditional Google Maps, kind of zoom in, zoom out. You also have your plus minus buttons here for zoom in, zoom out. This base map layer right here will allow you to change. Right now we're on the standard kind of Google map. There's also lots of options like satellite, terrain, which are all useful for depending on what kind of project you're hoping to develop. Very cool. So that's kind of the basics of how you get there and how you create a map in Google My Maps. Thanks.